It's summertime and the peaches are in season.
And we're going to make a good old-fashioned peach Jello salad.
So come on in and we'll show you how it's done. Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And today we got a special lady here, which is my mom, Mama Marge.
Mama Marge is back, and we're so excited to have you back. It's been so long with all the stuff going on, and we're just happy that you're here with us.
Yeah, and all the comments that's been coming in, you wouldn't believe the people. When is your mother going to be doing another recipe, or when is she coming back? I said, well, we're going to be doing it next month.
And everybody loves our mamas.
Yes, they do.
And we love our mamas.
Yeah, we all love our mamas, don't we?
So you've got to make one of your specialties for us today.
Old-fashioned peach Jello salad.
Oh, it sounds
so the
delicious.
peaches are in right now, so just go out and get you some, or you can get your peach pie filling. That's the best. Use peach pie filling, pineapple, crushed pineapples. You can use one large box or two small boxes of peach Jello, and then you've got 2 cups of water. So first, what you do, you pour your Jello in the bowl.
And the other one there.
And the other one.
And I'll take those for you.
All right, and then you add your water.
And that's hot water.
Yeah, boiling water.
Boiling hot water.
I think we put it in a microwave for about like 3 minutes.
Yeah,
And
you want to make sure so it'll dissolve, right?
Yeah.
This is so good. We've had this for years and years and years.
It's a summer favorite, isn't it?
It
sure
is.
Well, I love peaches. I have a peach tree out back, but you know, it's hard for me to get to them before the squirrels do. Usually, it's like a race to get to the peaches out back, but
You have to sit up at night, huh?
I do. I mean, I like, don't eat all my peaches off my tree.
Yeah, we'll get that water up here. In a
Oh, here
minute.
we go.
Yeah.
Here you go,
There
Sheila.
we go. There we go.
Okay.
Stir that up really good. All dissolved there.
Mm-hmm. And then we take our peaches, canned pie peaches, pie filling. Okay.
Okay.
Can I have it back?
Sure.
Okay.
And I'll set this over here for at the time being. Get them all.
Looks like
situated.
goldfish in there.
Yeah, it does, don't it?
Looks like goldfish. I bet the kids like to make this.
Oh yeah, they would.
You know?
They would love it.
I didn't mind making it all these years because it didn't have that many ingredients to
That's
it.
right.
You want to take that?
I'll hold that for you.
Okay, please.
Take this and go like that.
Oh, you do that way?
Yeah, just go ahead and get it out.
Okay, we'll get it out.
You're allowed. You're allowed to scrape the can. We do it all the time.
Okay.
Drive people crazy. That's how we do it in our kitchen.
Okay, we've got all that mixed up, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill
Okay.
till it gets good and firm, and then we'll take it out and put the topping on it.
All right. Well, we'll go put it in the refrigerator, and we'll be back when it's all ready to put the topping on.
Right. Well, I guess you can see that our bowl is smaller, but we got one too big, so we just had to make it, pour this over in it before we had to chill it. So here we go. We're ready to make our topping for it.
And we chilled that for how long?
3 hours.
3 hours.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So we take 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream,
Okay.
and 3/4 cups sugar. And then we're going to take a mixer here. Get it soft, good soft. Good and soft. There you go.
I'll take that for you.
Now we're going to take our topping and pour it over our salad.
This is so good.
It looks
And
good.
it is a springtime, summertime dish.
And like it at Christmas time.
She likes it anytime.
You can also do this with strawberry too.
Ooh,
It's
that would be
also
good
good
too.
with it, yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're going to sprinkle some pecans on top of it.
That's really good too. I love pecans.
I love pecans too. They're so good. Mom, you're making us hungry again.
I know. Feel it.
Okay, so we're going to put this back in the fridge for how long?
So about 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Till it sets up, and then we're going to eat.
Then we'll eat.
Good stuff. That's what you
Good
need.
stuff, Ma.
That's one you need right there. Now that we got it all served up, we're going to eat the
So good.
peach Jello salad.
Oh my gosh.
Check this out. It's what you think. Good, isn't it?
Wow.
It's like a real summery dish.
Really good. I like that a lot. You are going to want to try this salad for this summer. I guarantee you. Your kids, your family, everybody's going to love this. Well, thanks for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Twitter,
Instagram, and visit shotgunred.com. We got t-shirts and the world famous
Shotgun Red Dolls,
Shotgun Red
and
Dolls.
DVDs,
and
coffee cups.
coffee mugs.
Yeah.
We keep forgetting to put it back out.
Here.
We've got our coffee mug. It has both sayings, is this the best cooking show? If it ain't, it ought to be. And the Hunter, Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter that
Right.
Steve always said on both sides. So
We want to thank you for coming here and being on the show.
Oh,
Again.
you're welcome. I love it.
thank you.
I love it. I've had so much fun.
we're so
Right.
glad she's back. We
Yes.
haven't seen her in a while. We love when our moms are here. Look, Mom's here with us. We got moms.
Hi.
Moms are always good to have.
Hi, Mama Marge.
We love our
Hi
moms.
there. Hi, Donna. Mama Donna.
Well, as Steve would say, is this the best peach Jello salad? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.